Welcome to Webstyle Press. Do you want to selectively hide some parts of Facebook to eliminate distractions or for whatever reason? In this video, I will show you how to remove reels, sponsored, ads, stories, and more on Facebook. This is my Facebook, and you can see stories are shown. To clean Facebook, go to Chrome Web Store, search and install these extensions. Ad blocker for Facebook. I have already installed this extension. Remove reels, remove sponsored, remove suggested for you, remove stories, and more. Search hide shorts. Here it is. Hide shorts, stories, reels, and videos. It's also installed in my web browser. These extensions will work on Chrome and Brave web browser. It can hide Facebook reels from timeline, hide Facebook stories from your feed, even hide Facebook videos from your timeline. So once you have done that, click Extensions icon from the browser and select the extension. Enable clean mode, remove reels, remove sponsored, remove suggested for you, remove market ads, remove searching ads. And then from this extension, I will choose to remove Facebook stories. Let's hide Facebook video as well. After that, reload Facebook. And as you can see, stories are gone. There will be no ads and no distractions on Facebook. And I'm using free versions of these extensions. You can find other similar extensions that do the same as well. So this is how you can control what you watch on Facebook and have a cleaner experience on Facebook. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.